Hello folks, this is Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish is called the fried pork with egg wrapping. Chinese name called 锅塌里脊. The main ingredients we need found egg, a small piece of pork loin, a thin pork. You don't need a lot, and chopped ginger. We need 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the pork. This pork, we cut like this, and hand hold it. Be very careful. Let's try to cut like a. Be very careful. So we get a sliced piece of pork. Then we just do one more and slice it. Just be very careful. Just slowly down. Okay. 2 pieces. I say this is enough. Probably this thing. Okay, then we put here, then we cut it. So the final pork will be like this. The final pork will be like this. Very thin. So this is the pork we get. Okay, we prepare the egg. Just crack the egg. You can make use 4 egg or 5 egg. It's all up to you. So just. This is a plain salt. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. Pinch to it. Don't add too much. This is the 13 spices. If you don't have Chinese 13 spices, just use black pepper. Add a pinch to it. Don't add too much. Now mix it. Make the yellow part and the white part well. The yellow part and the white part mix well, so the egg part is done. Turn on the stove, medium flame. Put the pot on. When the pot is hot, we add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil to it. And raise the pot. I use the olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil is okay. I use olive oil. Make it more healthy. When the oil is hot, and we add a little chopped ginger into it. And then we add the pork into it to slowly fry. This is the black pepper. We add a pinch of black pepper to it, not too much. Just slowly fry. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 teaspoon soy sauce to it, not too much, and fry. Just slowly fry until pork is fully cooked. This is the salt. We add a pinch salt to it. Don't add too much. Add a pinch. Don't add too much. Right now you can see the pork it become brown and it's fully cooked. So we put the pork into a plate. Here comes the stove. This pork is fully cooked. Add the pork into a bowl. Okay, turn on the stove. Fair. This is the vegetable oil. It's actually olive oil. You add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. Or other vegetable oil is okay. Then rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add the mixed egg into it. And then we add the fried pork into it. Into the egg. And then we just try to move the egg like that. Just try let all the liquid egg and be cooked. So we just stir it tiny. So let the egg, running egg be cooked. Okay, just keep doing this until there's no running egg. There's no running egg. Slowly moving like that. And check the bottom, don't make sure the bottom don't burn. Okay. When the egg all form, just wait, let it form. Moving. If too hot, just move the pot up. Just wait the egg at the bottom will form. And later I will flip it over. So if you can't flip it over, you can put another pan on top and turn it over, so it's more safe. So it's all up to you. If you are very confident, you can do. So you just need to let all the running egg go down. Let no running egg in the pot. Okay. Then we turn it over. Okay. We turn it over. If not, just let I tell you, and just you put another pan on the top and just turn over. So just move. If it's too hot, just okay. So this dish is done. I'll put it into the pot. So the fried pork with egg wrapping, this dish is done. And I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.